took the top out the Maybach. I took the top out the Maybach. I took the top out the Maybach. Hey, I took the top off of my Maybach, bitch. I took the top off of my Maybach, bitch.
I took the top out the Maybach. I took the top out the Maybach. I took the top out the Maybach. I took the top out the Maybach.
Today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing for a company called Adore Her Hair, and I got it today. I'm so excited, and I did business with this company through Instagram. She followed me on Instagram, and we had a mutual agreement for me to do an unboxing and a review on her hair. So here is the package. I'm so excited, and I'm gonna open it up today. It came with UPS. I would have got it a little quicker, but the storm threw everything off. So I'm gonna open this up real quick. Got a little gold box. Oh, I love gold. And so let's see, let's open that up. Oh, this is so cute. So it comes with Adore Her extensions, and I believe that's her on the card, you guys. And I have the Cambodian curly in 22, 24, and 26 with a 20-inch frontal. And the way you have to purchase, you have to go on the website and request to buy. So here's the frontal here. Oh, and it has a little Afro Girls on the logo here. I don't know if you can see that. It is cute. They doing their thing. I'm all about woman empowerment. And let's see this frontal here. Ooh. Hair smells good. Frontal. So it looks like it's a little tinted, but not that much. Gonna have to bleach the knots. And here's the hair here. It's bouncy, and this is the Cambodian curly. So I'm definitely gonna pluck and bleach the knots on this. And this is a 20-inch frontal. Comes in a purple. This is I live for packaging. And she also has a card. Her name is Alyssa Davis, CEO of Adore Her Extensions. And let me see here. So this is where you can reach her to get the extensions. And this is her. Isn't she so cute? She's adorable. She's so bomb. So cute. So I have the Cambodian curly and a 22, 24, and 26. So I'm gonna open up one bundle. I'm not gonna open up all of them because they all like the same. I'm gonna open up the 26. I cannot wait to install this hair. So, ooh. That's so, oh yeah. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna co-wash this hair. Doesn't smell. Oh sis. Oh no. This is cute. This is cute, and I like the curl in that. Oh my god, and no shedding. I haven't gotten any strands so far. No strands so far. Cannot wait to try this. So what I'm gonna do, you guys, is I'm going to make a wig and come back and do an installation and tell you guys how the wig came out after I bleached the knots and sewed it onto a dome cap. But you guys, make sure you follow her on Instagram. I'm gonna leave her Instagram below and request this hair. I love it so far. Like, I didn't even open up all of the lengths. Maybe I should. And I'm already sold. I'm already sold. So this is the 22. I cannot wait to try this out. Like, this is the 22 inch. Yo, and it's so bouncy and so pretty. No shedding on this. Pull in and pull in. Oh my god, and the ends are healthy. Okay, so I think she's based in Las Vegas, I believe. And it says, seeking high expectations for every hair type, ask for our free delivery service. Girl, you can get yours for free delivery service. She has her telephone number and adoreherextensions.com and adoreherextensions@gmail.com to contact her to purchase your hair. Okay, you guys, and if you hurry up, you may get 25% off your purchase if you use the code bundle 3. I'm gonna leave it down here, bundle 3. Okay, you get 25% off. And she has inches from 10 inches to 30 inches. I'm gonna tell you guys what type of hair she has, by the way, so you don't have to get the curly hair if you're a straight hair girl. She has straight hair. So I'm gonna go get the card and show you. I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so it says lustrous and long lasting Indian hair, Brazilian hair, Cambodian hair is what I have, Peruvian hair, and they have it in body wave, straight, deep wave, curly, and she also has clip-ins, you guys. So make sure you check out Adore Her Extensions. Very sweet. It came so quickly. She was easy to communicate back and forth with. She didn't give me any problems, never late with responses. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave all the information, all of it, in the description box so you guys can get your hair popping. That curly hair is like, it's gonna be good for the summertime. Like, if you're looking for some good summer beachy hair, this hair is gonna do it. Like, this gonna be, and this is only 2 bundles together. Actually, the 3rd bundle I didn't even put together, and it makes up a lot. 2 bundles of this, and it makes up a pretty good amount of hair. Like, I cannot wait to install it. Thanks you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, KingSize2, Snapchat, KingSize2, and on Facebook is KingSize2 Beauty. Okay? And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.